Good morning everyone. Today's activity is canvas painting and this is very interesting and fun-filled activity which is organized by St.Xavier High School Gallery number 5, Barabati Cuttack and conducted by KOKUYO CAMLIN LTD. So now with me all students of standard 8 and they are doing today canvas painting and they all are very excited and happy. Let's see what they are doing.
You can see all the students are busy with their paintings. Now they all are applying yellow colors on the canvas. After that they will apply orange color.
Beta, what's the name? Loudly. So today what are you doing? Canvas painting. And what's your name? Okay. What are you doing now?
Canvas painting.
Show me your canvas. Okay.
Now you just started base coating, applying yellow and orange color. What type of color material you have?
Show me. Show me. Yes. Yes, this is Camel Fabrica acrylic color. This color is for multi-surfaces and now students are using on canvas. They can use it on pot, they can use it on ceramic tile and they can use it on different surfaces. So you can see all students are busy, all students are happy. Students, you all are enjoying this activity? Yes. Okay. Yes. Beta, what is your name?
Mahadev.
What are you doing?
Acrylic painting on canvas.
Okay. You are doing first time canvas painting? You have tried?
Yes.
Okay. What's your name? And you can see very colorful, bright colors, canvas painting. All students are doing here. So, what's your name, beta? Are you enjoying?
Yes.
Okay. What's your name? Swam. Your full name? Okay. The canvas painting you are trying first time?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you excited
Yes, sir.
and very happy?
Yes.
Okay. Boys, you all are happy?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You can see all the students are ready for the next step. They will apply red color on the canvas. Hello, say something about this activity and how much excited you are.
I'm very excited for the last part.
Last part. So let's see. तो स्टूडेंट्स, आपको अभी तक जितना भी काम हुआ है कैसा लगा? और आपको जैसे स्टेप बाय स्टेप बताया जा रहा है तो पूरा का पूरा समझ में आ रहा है? थैंक यू।